Joe Mackenzie here. Please join me at my YouTube channel and also at joemackenzie.com. What we're doing today is just blocking in. I'm going to do a second part probably tomorrow or later on today when I complete the painting. But this is called blocking in. I have a drawing, not very detailed, and what I'm doing is I'm blocking in my darkest darks to begin with. There's a lot of drawing that happens here, and I'm using at least 3 colors to do it. I'm using ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, and also alizarin crimson. Now I'm moving slightly into what could be considered mid-tones, but at the end of the day, those are not going to be my mid-tones. I'm blocking in all my darks here. But, you know, indeed, I could have used one color to do that, but the result would be very dissatisfying. So using several colors and letting them intermingle is, for me, a better way of blocking in a painting and establishing the underlying structure. And so that's where I stop, and I'm going to go into midtones next. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.